Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if your Roblox cursor keeps going off screen problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. What you have to do is right click on the desktop and select display settings. Make sure your display resolution is set to recommended settings. In here you just need to select the recommended settings guys. After selecting it, the same way as scale settings, you just need to select the recommended one. After selecting it, you just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Find and fix problem with the Windows Store apps. Click on it. Click on next. This will help you to fix the error guys with the mouse goes off screen problem. After finishing this troubleshooting, close the troubleshooter, and now what you have to do is go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.